If you're experiencing connection errors on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection speed and stability. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi network is functioning properly. Test your internet speed on another device to confirm that the issue is not with your network. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider restarting your router. Step 2. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can resolve bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Optimize network settings. Access the network settings on your Steam Deck and switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network if available, as it typically offers faster speeds and less interference compared to 2.4 GHz. Additionally, consider using a wired connection if possible for a more stable experience. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This can help free up resources and improve your connection speed while gaming. Step 5. Adjust Steam download settings. In the Steam application, navigate to Settings, then Downloads. Change the download region to a server closer to your location. This can help reduce latency and improve download speeds for games and updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors and enhance your overall experience on your Steam Deck. Happy gaming!